Hello, this is a tutorial on 2.4b2 2020, dividing decimals. Keep in mind that 12 divided by 4 is 12 divided by 4, which is 12 divided by 4. So that first number is going to go inside the division bracket. That's why I do that. So let's get this set up here. We got 3.68. and we're going to divide that by 0.4. Now, we can't have a decimal out here in this position here. So I'm going to move it one spot, and I'm going to move this one spot. So really, our new division problem is going to be 36.8 divided by 4. Now, all we really did there when we moved the decimal to the right one spot, we just multiplied it by 10. So 0.4 became 4. 3.68 became 36.8. All right, now we're going to ask questions. Does 4 go into 36? Yes, it goes in there 9 times. 9 times 4 is 36. We can subtract it out. We got 0. Our decimal up, we can bring our 8 down. Does 4 go into 8? It goes in there 2 times. 2 times 4 is 8. We can subtract it out, and we've zeroed out 9.2. And you can check your answer down in the right-hand corner. All right. So let's think about this one here. We've got 0.87, and we're dividing that into 0.3. Once again, we can't have that decimal, so we multiply this. And our new problem becomes 8.7 divided by 3. 3 going to 8, it goes in there 2 times. 2 times 3 is 6. We subtract, we got 2 left. Bring down the 7. Does 3 go into 27? Yes, it's going to go in there 9 times. Sorry about that, folks. Duty calls. 9 times 3 is 27. And that's going to zero out, and we've got 2.9. You've got to make sure your decimal is wherever your decimal is in the dividend there, that's where it's going to be in your quotient. 2.9 that matches down here. All right, so let's look at this one up here. You'll notice that this is where we're concerned about the decimal, so I'm going to move it one spot here, and I'm going to move it one spot here. Now, if you can do that, that's fine. Otherwise, draw it out and do it this way. So you know exactly where it is. Too often, kids move it 2 places in this problem here because they see 2 decimals. We're really worried about this decimal right here in the divisor. So let me just draw this out. So we've got 44.8, and we're going to divide that by 8. 44 goes into 8 5 times. 5 times 8 is 40. We subtract that out. We have 5 left over. And I did that wrong. Sorry about that. 4 minus 0 is 4, not 5. I took the 5 up here. Sorry. Bring down the 8. We've got 48. 8 is going to go into 48 6 times. 6 times 8 is 48, and we zero that out. 5.6. 5.6 down here. Let's do one more. Do one harder one here. So this is where we're concerned about the decimal, so I'm going to move it there, and I'm going to move it here. So my new problem is 407.7, and we're dividing by 27. All right, now we're going to have to do a little multiplying off on the side here. How many times is 27 going to 407? Well, if it was 25, it would go in there 16. Well, we can go into 40 first. We're going to 16 times, but we know it's going to go in here once. 27. We can subtract that. 10 minus 7 is 3. And this is a 3. 3 minus 2 is a 1. So we have 13 left. And then 7 can come down. How many times does 27 go in there? Well, I think it's 5 times 27, but we'll just have to go off to the side here and multiply it. 5 times 7 is 35. There's the 5 and there's the 30. 5 times 2 is 10 plus 3 is 135. So that's 135. Do that 5 times. Well, it's pretty close with 16. Let's see. So that would be 135, and we'll subtract that. We'll have 2 left over. You can bring down the 7. It's going to go in there 1 time. 27. We subtract that out. We've got 0, so it's 15.1. Okay, folks. Good luck.